Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384811382, and today we have a 2015 Toyota 86 GTS Coupe. Stock reference number 4575. The shape runs from the 4th month 2012 through to the 7th month 2016. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left door has very light wobbles. Left power door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. One small little impression. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right door has one small dent and very light wobbles. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black partial leather with red stitching. Manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, left-hand sun visor, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.